The world emits over 30 billion tons of CO2 per year. As this CO2 accumulates, concentrations rise at a rate of about 3 parts per million per year. We are currently at 400 parts per million versus 280 at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. The maximum safe level is somewhere between 350 and 450. If we don't make changes to how we live on Earth, we will exceed the upper limit of this range. There are a few technologies which can actually reduce global CO2 concentrations. If deployed at scale, biochar is one of these solutions. Let me explain. The forest industry generates millions of tons of waste wood every year. These stockpiles dot the Canadian boreal forest zones. Sometimes they catch fire. This way of managing waste wood is unsustainable. Conversion of these stockpiles into a useful biochar soil amendment product could be a solution. Biochar is a charcoal-like material made by carbonizing biomass at temperatures above 450 degrees C in the near absence of oxygen. When amended into soils, it is stable for hundreds to thousands of years, making it a recognized method of sequestering carbon. More importantly, it enhances soils by creating a perfect environment for beneficial soil microbes and by making nutrients and moisture more available for plants. AirTerra has registered its biochar for use as a soil amendment product. We've also established Soil Matrix Biochar as a Canadian brand, which is selling well at retail garden centers and multiple online sites. We've also sold Soil Matrix Biochar in bulk to farmers and landscapers. The International Biochar Initiative has set an audacious goal of promoting the production of 1 billion tons of biochar annually on a global basis within 50 years. This is the equivalent of about 3 billion tons of CO2 removed from the atmosphere annually. That is 10% of the world's total current annual CO2 emissions. We will need to balance emissions using technologies like this that remove CO2 from our atmosphere. This will require an environmentally, socially, and economically sustainable approach, something AirTerra fully embraces. Come and join us at the ASTech NextGen Innovator Showcase to discuss the potential for being involved in this significant climate change solution.